In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Apple gift card in Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an Apple gift card, you can use it to purchase Robux. However, you will not be purchasing it directly. So what you have to do is redeem the Apple gift card into the App Store, and then you will be able to use the funds on your Apple account to purchase Robux. So to start, redeem the Apple gift card. To do this, like I mentioned, open the App Store and tap on your account. Usually it is going to be at the top right corner of the screen. So when you access the top right corner of the screen, you will be able to go over to the account page and find the redeem gift card or code option. This is where you will be able to redeem the funds from the Apple gift card into your account, and then afterwards you will be able to purchase any amount of Robux. So you will see a menu like this. You can use your camera, which automatically fills out all of the necessary information on the gift card, or you can enter the code manually, where you will be able to type out the entirety of the gift card code. So choose whichever option you prefer. This one is automatic essentially, and the other one is going to be manual. So you can pick whichever one is best for you. Once you have redeemed the funds into your Apple account, you can go over to the Buy Robux page inside of the Roblox app, and in here you can choose any amount. As long as you redeem a gift card properly, you can choose from any of these amounts here, and you will be able to confirm your purchase. Of course, if you redeemed a gift card worth $10 for example, then your purchase cannot exceed $10 and so on. But as long as you purchase any amount of Robux within that amount of funds that you added, you will be able to find them on your account, and you can repeat this process with as many gift cards as you have. Just make sure to redeem them into the Apple Store first, and then afterwards into Robux. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple gift card in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.